Dave pulling grass out of my garden. He wants to stay in this house, and I need help in the garden. It's still looking pretty, but I'm leaving it go a bit wild. And he doesn't want that grass reseeding in his grass. But I really appreciate him helping me. Thank you, honey. There's so much on that grass path there. The fall garden is looking pretty. Okay, sorry this is bumpy, but I am having a hard time holding my hands up here. Couple tears in my rotator cuff. So I have to be choosy with what I do with this arm. But I am doing amazingly well. No surgery. Can't do surgery. It's unrepairable. And he's having back problems. He did something the other day. Oh. Okay. Just my honey working hard for me.